Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today we'll go deeply into the plank exercise's scientific underpinnings. Join me as we examine this core strengthening exercise's physiological benefits and potential disadvantages. To ensure that you will learn about the true value of plank, watch this video until the end. Let's start out with the plank exercise advantages supported by science. The rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, obliques, and erector spinae muscles are all adequately worked out when performing planks, according to studies. As a result of this ongoing contraction, your core muscles become stronger, improving stability and lowering your risk of lower back pain. Planks work the deltoids, trapezius, quadriceps, and hamstrings, among other muscular groups. Over time, these coordinated efforts improve stability and balance, which benefits daily motions. Surprisingly, this deceptively easy exercise works every muscle group in the body at once, giving a full body workout. This extensive engagement improves muscular endurance and overall strength. Planks are easy on the joints because they are a bodyweight exercise, making them suitable for people of all fitness levels and lowering the chance of joint strain or injury. Planks promote proprioception, which raises body awareness and motor control by enhancing the mind-muscle link. Greater neural engagement results in improved coordination. Planks are a great way to practice controlled breathing, which can help to enhance respiratory health by supporting higher lung capacity and oxygen exchange. Planks with weight on your feet encourages bone remodeling, especially in the arms and shoulders. As people age, this lowers the risk of osteoporosis and aids in maintaining bone density. Planks promote muscular strength and endurance by using a variety of muscle groups. Regular practice improves muscular tone and the capacity to exert physical effort for longer periods of time. Planks demand mental focus and concentration to maintain good form. In addition to the physical benefits of the exercise, this cognitive demand improves mental clarity and attention. Let's now investigate the scientific factors to guarantee a balanced approach to plank exercises. Long-term plank holding without adequate rest can result in overuse injuries, especially to the wrists, shoulders, and lower back. To avoid strains and discomfort, moderation is crucial. Inappropriate form or long plank sessions can put undue strains on the joints, which could result in pain and instability. To avoid joint discomfort, proper alignment and slow advancement are essential. Longer plank holds may deteriorate form and raise the possibility of muscular injury by causing muscle fatigue. To avoid fatigue, plank workouts should be structured with proper rest periods and variety. When adequate form is neglected during planks, the mind-muscle link and proprioception may be impacted, which could disrupt balance and coordination. Maintaining the exercise's beneficial effects on the nervous system requires careful execution and attention to proper technique. The primary benefit of planks is strength development. They do not significantly improve cardiovascular fitness. Planks must be combined with aerobic activities for optimum cardiovascular health. Poor focus on breathing strategies when performing planks might result in ineffective breathing patterns that affect lung function and respiratory efficiency. Exercises involving plank position must include appropriate breathing signals and breathing awareness. Planking right after eating could be uncomfortable because of the increased intra-abdominal pressure. Before performing plank exercises, give yourself enough time to finish your meal. Stress on the bones, particularly those in the wrists and shoulders, can result from intense or improper plank form, which may have an impact on bone health. Bone safety depends on using good form and avoiding overstretching. Planks shouldn't be the only exercise in a well-rounded fitness plan. Exercise variety helps prevent muscle imbalances and an over-reliance on certain motions. A well-rounded exercise program increases general health and lowers the chance of overuse problems. When incorporating planks into a training routine, it's important to take into account each person's fitness level and medical problems. Each person's demands should be taken into account when making modifications and moving forward, ensuring a secure and productive experience. And there you have it, the science of the plank exercise, complete with advantages and things to take into account for a well-rounded training program. Remember, by knowing the physics of planks, we can approach our workouts with awareness and get the best outcomes. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this scientific investigation, please click the subscribe, like button, and tell your fitness-minded friends about it. Keep learning and being active. Until next time.